Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we'll resolve one particular error. Model Numpy has no attribute copy mode. So let's open the project folder. We have to run that app.py file. So let's run python space app.py, then hit enter. So it will give that particular error, attribute error, model Numpy has no attribute copy mode. So we have to run two commands, pip install hyphen hyphen upgrade numpy. So we have to upgrade the numpy and pandas, both the library. Now after that we have to upgrade the pandas, pip install hyphen hyphen upgrade pandas. Okay, let's enter. Hmm. Now check the version of numpy and pandas. Pip show numpy. So the version is 2.2.6 of numpy. Let's check the pandas version. Pip show pandas. Then enter. That will show the version of pandas 2.3.3. It will resolve the error. And let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. And if you're facing any error, then you can contact us. I will provide the contact link in description. And if you're searching at project ideas in computer science domain, then we are providing projects in multiple domains like machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, web development, app development, many more. So if you want any project, then you can contact us. I'll provide the contact link in description. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.